Energy is crucial to almost every aspect of our lives. Amid increasing energy consumption and greater concern for the environment, attention is increasingly turning to Eastern Australia's massive resources of one of the world's cleanest burning fuels, coal seam gas. So, what is this fuel? Where is it found? And how is it produced? This form of natural gas is largely methane that was formed alongside coal from the remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Trapped in coal beds by water and ground pressure, the gas lies in the coal seams, which are open fractures between the coal and the inside of pores within the coal. Exploration for coal seam gas begins with the mapping of coal seams through seismic surveys. An energy source is reflected from the various rock and mineral layers to generate a three-dimensional image of the underlying strata. Coal seams are traditionally accessed using a single vertical well. However, in some areas where the geology is suitable, up to 4 lateral wells may be used to intersect the vertical well to increase the gas gathering area. Extracting the gas begins with the drilling of a well 300 to 1500 meters deep. The top section of the well is cased with steel and cement to prevent the loss of water from any upper aquifers. The coal seams are then stimulated to open the pores within the coal. This production zone releases the pressure within the coal bed and allows the gas and water to flow into the well. The coal resource remains in place and undamaged. The gas and water rise to the surface through separate pipes. The water is transported through underground pipes to a pond for reuse and recycling. The gas is piped to a processing facility to be compressed and dehydrated to remove any traces of impurities. The gas is then fed into pipelines for domestic and commercial markets. Like other natural gases, coal seam gas may be used to heat our homes and cook our food. The most common use of coal seam gas is to produce electricity by fueling large electrical generators. To generate energy, the clean burning gas is ignited in a combustion chamber, which turns a large turbine generator, producing electrical energy. The heat from the burning gas also boils water, producing steam under pressure. This steam is also used to produce electricity from another generator. Depending on the technology used, natural gas emits between 50 and 70% less carbon dioxide than is produced by an existing conventional coal-fired power station. In the rural areas that accommodate the gas fields, coal seam gas developments have a proven track record in successfully coexisting with agricultural and pastoral operations. The wells are relatively well concealed and are sited following consultation with landholders and according to thorough land, cultural heritage and environmental surveys. Surface CSG operations occupy less than 15% of the area required for an open-cut coal mine. Compensation agreements are established with landowners to offset potential loss of income, reduced land access and disturbance, and on completion, each well site is rehabilitated as closely as possible to the original land use capability. Regional communities are benefiting broadly from the economic stimulus provided by the industry. The industry is also pursuing beneficial uses for coal seam water. Processes such as desalination can transform it into a clean, reliable source of water. Potential options for treated water use may include coal washing, cattle feedlots, crops, towns, agriculture, emergency fire water supply or power station cooling, direct injection into aquifers and improving environmental creek flows. In light of all the benefits and opportunities provided by coal seam gas, this abundant and cleaner fuel is attracting interest from around the world. Australia is the first to invest in the multi-billion-dollar process to convert coal seam gas to liquefied natural gas in Gladstone on the Queensland coast. Transforming this vision into reality will see LNG from Australia emerge as a new force in global energy and further progress an industry that is already creating hundreds of jobs, contributing to dozens of local economies, reviving towns and providing brighter futures for families. This DVD has been produced through a collaborative industry effort by APIA with support from the Australian Gas Industry Trust. Creative production was led by Animation Inc.